Team Axis of No Talent, are you ready?
Ready, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, respected judges, can we start?
Yeah, please.
Okay, you can start now.
Thank you, sir. Hello. Now, simple question. What comes to our mind when we think about futuristic autonomous vehicles? Well, we are not really going to be making transformers here today, but we will be extending the horizon of what we have today by quite some extent. A warm welcome from Team Axis of No Talent, and we are pleased to introduce the next gen EMV. What is it exactly? Well, it's an autonomous electronic vehicle for medical purposes, shortening it into Emergency Medical Vehicle or simply EMV. Ambulances have a massive necessity at any time, future or the present. A properly equipped ambulance can draw the line between life and death. And isn't it better to remove the human error fact from such an important vehicle? Thus, we present the EMV with the most accurate GPS tracking system that will track the shortest road to the destination, and of course, the one with the best road conditions. A feature of elongation, an automated oxygen supply unit, which will reduce the risks of carrying around oxygen cylinders, all-terrain tires, automated medical facilities, and integrated CPR and ventilator. Now, let us take a look at the key feature, elongation. Renault has already made a car that elongates. Now, how far can we take it in the next 50 years? Let's take a look at the initial idea, Matchbox. The EMV will be equipped with a 3-layer crafting material, which will provide both protection and at needs elongation. Similar to that of a matchbox, it will hold its actual size initially. Now, taking a look at the inner chambers. It will be more spacious than ever. We'll have an advanced temperature system, which will also contain air ventilation system. The interior chamber also features trauma lighting, which will provide enough lighting even if the patient is photosensitive. Advanced tail lift, and lastly, bed and containment unit with suspensions fitted in for a smoother ride. Now I'll give the floor to my teammate, Naima Fatima.
Thank you, Galib, for giving me the floor. Now let's see why next-gen EMV is the best solution for any critical medical situation. Because it is not only an EV, but also an ambulance added with some extra features and potentials. Suppose, God forbids, but suppose a building collapses in front of you and many people gets hurt. For example, Rana Plaza tragedy. At that moment, our EMV will be in the best use because of its elongation process and CPR system. And it can accommodate more than 6 people at a time. So can you believe that? And adding that feature, we are going through a model of TFS, which means time efficiency, fastest travel of patient, and safe reach for patients. So now let's see who are our target customers. Obviously, our target customers are hospital owners and the private companies who give the EMS service. And our goal is to save every life possible. In any disaster like plane crash or a fire outbreak, or even in any natural calamity, ours will give the most top-notch service. Now I'm giving the floor to my teammate Tariq Pasha Obi.
Thank you, Naima Fatima, for giving me the floor. So our goal to facilitate the emergency measure cannot be achieved if our EV is not cost efficient. For considering the cost efficiency, we have to focus on 4 different categories. 1, the fuel cost. 2, the maintaining cost. 3, the life cost. And 4, taxes and other charges. So come to fuel cost. Electrical vehicle cost less than half as much to operate a gas powered car, and the average cost to operate an EV is $485 per year. While the average for a gas per vehicle is $1,117 per year. Now come to maintaining cost. A recent study shows that the average yearly saving for an EV owner is approximately $800 per year, which is approximately 25% a year. Now come to the life cost.
You have 1 minute left.
Many drivers who make a switch to electrical vehicles, they find that charging at home is more convenient than visiting a gas station by saving both money and time. And another main reason is having a backup charging unit. We can charge our EMV at anywhere at emergency measure. And at last, tax and other charges, as the world is moving toward the renewable energy transition. So all the government is promoting this by reducing the tax significantly. And in this way, the price of our EMV will be reduced significantly. And why this next gen EMV? The average 6-seated EMV ambulance in America is $75,000 with high maintenance, where our advanced EMV will cost us $70,000 to $75,000 with low maintenance. And most importantly, this next-gen EMV will not be used for luxury. It is for necessity. Thank you.
So I think